हाय दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपके साथ यास्मीन। इन दिनों बॉलीवुड की कई बड़ी फिल्मों को लेकर जबरदस्त चर्चाएं हैं। सलमान की भारत और दबंग 3, अक्षय कुमार की सूर्यवंशी, वहीं अब सनी देओल भी सुर्खियों में आ गए हैं। हाल ही में उनकी फिल्म ब्लैंक का दमदार ट्रेलर रिलीज हुआ है, जिसे लोगों ने काफी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स दिया। इसी के साथ हाल ही में खबरें आई कि वो मशहूर डायरेक्टर राजकुमार संतोषी के साथ लंबे समय के बाद हाथ मिलाने वाले हैं। कुछ वक्त पहले दोनों के बीच कुछ ठीक नहीं चल रहा था, और अब जब सब ठीक हो गया है तो सनी उनके साथ एक नई फिल्म की तैयारी में लगने वाले थे। लेकिन खबरों की माने तो सनी ने इस फिल्म को होल्ड पर रख दिया है। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, सनी अपने बेटे करण देओल को फिल्म पल पल दिल के पास से लॉन्च करने वाले हैं। बता दें कि ये फिल्म जुलाई में रिलीज होगी। अब चूंकि ये उनके बेटे की डेब्यू फिल्म होगी, तो ऐसे में खबरें हैं कि सनी पहले अपने बेटे की फिल्म पर ध्यान देना चाहते हैं, जो कि एक रोमांटिक फिल्म होगी। वहीं इस बात पर राजकुमार संतोषी का कहना है कि करण उनके बेटे जैसे हैं और सनी देओल के इस फैसले से उन्हें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। अब आपको बताते चलें कि कुछ वक्त पहले फिल्म का एक लुक सामने आया था, जिसे सनी ने ट्वीट कर शेयर किया था। बता दें कि इस फिल्म में उनके साथ लीड एक्ट्रेस के तौर पर सेहर बाम्बा नजर आएंगी और फिल्म का डायरेक्शन खुद सनी कर रहे हैं। वैसे एक बात तो कहनी पड़ेगी, लंबे वक्त के बाद सनी अपने फेवरेट डायरेक्टर राजकुमार संतोषी के साथ काम करने वाले थे, जिन्होंने साथ में घातक, घायल और दामिनी जैसी ब्लॉकबस्टर फिल्में दी हैं। लेकिन अब जब वो उनके साथ फिलहाल काम नहीं करने वाले हैं, तो ऐसे में कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि सनी को ये फैसला अपने दिल पर पत्थर रखकर लेना पड़ा होगा, या फिर यूँ कहें कि वो अपने बेटे की डेब्यू फिल्म को लेकर एक्साइटेड हैं। वैसे आप उनके बेटे करण की फिल्म पल पल दिल के पास को देखने के लिए कितने एक्साइटेड हैं, हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं।
The whole experience and everything was amazing. Like he said, there was a long build up to it, so I was also impatient to get started. But yeah, 1-2 days into it, it was all good. You know, once you get into the motion of things, it's fine.
I also have a question for you, Sunny sir. You have worked with a lot of newcomers. What was different with Karan this time when you worked?
Well, Karan, definitely nowadays the newcomers they are so well prepared about what they want to do and why they want to do it. And I think Karan was very definite about this project. He had already gone through it with Bezad, I think so, earlier on.
Me and Bezad and Pranav were attached to it for a while.
So that's why I think, and which is very nice because then you own the character, then you own the subject, and it comes across very well. And he has done a great job in it.
Thank you.
Sunny Paji, on your left here, Simran Singh from the first post. यहाँ पे, जी. So first of all, congratulations to the team for the fantastic trailer. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि जब भी आपकी एक फिल्म आती है सर, in the age of digital and VFX loaded films, आपकी जब भी फिल्म आती है सर, जो आपका जो एक्शन होता है, it's very raw, rustic and it's very practical, based on practical effects. So is this your preference? मतलब जब आप एक्शन को देखते हैं, is this your definitions कि मतलब जितना हो सके it should be raw, real, and it should be like it should not be filled with special effects. What do you want to say about it?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, cinema, everything, whatever we do should be believable. Otherwise, it doesn't. I mean, one doesn't enjoy it. And action, I always have. I mean, ever since I've been doing films, I used to do things, everything myself. So, उस वक्त सब चीज़ें रॉ ही होती थी. And it's just after, I don't know when everything started changing. But definitely, I mean, any emotion or whatever it is, and action is an emotion. So the more believable. I mean, we do go a little larger than life, but we should believe that it is possible.
Hello, Sunny sir. This is Hasti from Cineblitz. Over here, straight. Yeah. So I wanted to ask that, as the film is, we saw the trailer, it's fantastic, as everyone is liking it. But as it's based on the terrorism part and that's being shown, there are many films and series nowadays, coming out on such topics. So, how different is it for this film, which you felt, this is the USP for, like something really different in this one?
See, what I liked about the thing is that, I mean, just imagine if, actually the explosions come into the city and we are not aware of it, what a goof up it is. So that's what something excited me, and I said, and how they're going to go through it, and that's what Bezad and the writers, everybody brought across, and that was very exciting, the way they bring things on the screen, and it is not pinpointing anything, it is just pinpointing, I think the main issue of anything in life, I think, is nothing but money. So that excited me. It was not just simply blaming things, but the reason is very definite. And I think we all, everything आजकल जो भी हो रहा है सब पैसा 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 ही हो रहा है.
Hi, Sunny, this is Priyanka from Indian Express towards your center. Hi. Sunny, I wanted to know that, you're one of the first patriotic heroes on screen. You've been the symbol of this theme on screen for the longest. And we've seen, a resurgence in filmmakers' interest towards this theme in the last 5-6 years. How do you view it, these films today? And how do you feel the treatment of patriotism as a theme in Hindi cinema today?
I think we're diverting from blank, aren't we? See, first and foremost, the most important thing is, are we all patriotic or not? Do we love our mother? Do we love our country? That's the most important thing. It should not be taken as some kind of a sellable thing, okay? And that's not how I have done my films or ever. Jab bhi maine kuch bhi kiya, it's because I believed in the characters and I did that. And mostly I've always done films where the characters have been strong, fight for something, and that's my nature also. I just go till the end, and I'm not a kind of a person who gives up. So somehow that reflection comes across, and so some films which I've done which are on the patriotic note, so somehow people connect with me more. And it was never a, what do we call, a sellable thing or something which we did, but definitely now the whole world has changed. Everything has become marketing, and so everything has to have a reason why we do and what we do, and then we all make graphs about it. Everybody does that nowadays. So I think that's what's happening right now. Season hai, kis cheez ka season hai, wo banate hain log.
Sunny, Justin here from PTI, slightly towards your center. Here. Sunny, you mentioned at the start that how newcomers today are very well prepared. I wanted to know from you, what do these newcomers today have, which perhaps you didn't have when you were sort of starting out in your career, people of your generation didn't have when they were making their debut in the films?
There's nothing that Sunny sir doesn't have as a performer.
No, aisa kuch nahi. I think it's like, such questions are put across, and I think if you basically even look at the whole world and the way things have progressed, I don't think there are anything different than what people had earlier and they don't have now. It's only thing is that obviously technology and the awareness of things have changed. So obviously you are growing in a much more aware format. What आज हम जो पूछ रहे हैं, 20 साल बाद यही सवाल किसी और से पूछा जाएगा. So I think this is what basically it is. Otherwise, the emotions are the same. We all have love and hate and anger and everything the same. So I don't think anything is changing from that point of view. So definitely the youth which is coming in will be reflecting all these emotions basically.
Correct. Also, Karanveer, you've done a couple of films before Blank, of course, but this seems to be the biggest of all that you've done. Tell me, is there a lot of struggle for an actor to get the right kind of scripts and get the right kind of star cast and a director attachment, especially when you're still making a mark?
I think you've answered your own question. Of course it is. We have to work very hard. We have to be absolute impeccable performers. And we have to be lucky enough that people like Behzad, people like Pranav, people like Tony D'Souza, they believe in you. I started my journey with Tony. Oh, sorry. And your co-actors as well, of course. But it's a team effort, yeah. And if you land at the good role, the challenge isn't like from the first take till the release, it's always there.
Karan Kapadia, Hasti here from Cineblitz again. I wanted to ask you that your first debut film is quite intense. So, and also you have got reviews even from your, family also saying that you have chosen a very intense film for your debut. So, is this something you are inclined to, or are there more genres of film that you would really like to explore?
See, I wasn't honestly lucky enough that I can just pick and choose whatever film I want to do. मैं बहुत lucky था कि Blank आया at a time where I really needed it and I needed the opportunity. I just got lucky that the script and the director turned out to be amazing. So I am open to doing any genre as long as it's a film that I think I would go watch myself as an audience. I would do that film. So I am not picky like that.
हाँ करण इधर जो ट्रेलर में अभी हम देखे आपको जो पकड़े जाने पे जो आपको भुलापन दिखता है कि एक्चुअली मुझे नहीं पता ये हो क्या रहा है, तो वो पकड़े जाने के डर का है या आपको वास्तव में पता नहीं?
आप क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर सकते हो प्लीज़?
अभी ट्रेलर में जो हमने देखा कि आप बोलते हैं कि वो एक्चुअल मुझे पता नहीं कि हो क्या रहा है, तो जो हम यहाँ पर भोलापन जो मासूमियत देखते हैं आपके चेहरे पे, तो वो पकड़े जाने के डर का है या वास्तव में इस हालात का आप इत्तेफाक से शिकार हो गए हैं?
वो तो अभी आपको पिक्चर देख के ही पता चलेगा.